Hey everyone! Welcome back to Social Tool 101. Today, I'll show you how to add links in an Excel sheet, whether it's to a cell, picture, or chart element. Let's dive in. Adding a link to a cell. First, let's add a hyperlink to a cell. Select the cell where you want the link. Now, go to the Insert tab and click the Link button. This opens the Insert Hyperlink window. You have four options: existing file or web page, link to a website or another file, place in this document, jump to a specific cell, create new document, make a new file and link to it, email address. Open an email window when clicked. If you're linking to a web page, always include http// or https// to ensure it works correctly. Click OK and your link is ready. Adding a link to a picture or chart. Want to link a picture or chart? No problem. Select the image or chart, then go to Insert and click Link just like before. Now, enter the link just like you would for a cell, click OK, and now clicking the image will take you to the link. Editing or removing a link. Need to change or remove a link. Right-click the linked cell, select Edit Hyperlink to change it, or remove hyperlink to delete it. That's it! Now you can easily add links in Excel to make your sheets more interactive. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Excel tips you'd like next. See you in the next video.